But that aside, we're going to focus actually on asking questions more as a junior developer, right? For reaching out with questions, or in general, reaching out with questions to your fellow developers, right?
Yeah,
That
that's
is
what you're going to discuss.
sub theme. There's more. Okay, let's start there then.
Go first.
Yeah, no. So definitely seeing that trend with more junior developers that they don't reach out to senior or colleague developers, and yeah, that's all related to fear and what will they think of me? I might not be asking good questions. But first of all, yeah, you have to realize that there's an opportunity cost, right? Because if you stop doing that or not reach out actively, especially when you're learning and in that growth phase, there's a huge opportunity cost, right? Because you're basically keep getting stuck. I mean, there's AI tools and all that, but ultimately, there's a before and after when you start to work with a senior developer or